The used EV market is finally maturing. Prices have dropped, battery technology has improved, and many early model electric cars have proved which brands understand long-term reliability and which ones don't. But buying a used EV in 2025 still means navigating battery degradation, outdated charging tech, reliability pitfalls, high repair costs, and the massive differences between early generation and modern electric powertrains. Not every used EV is a good deal, but several models now stand out as smart, safe, and practical purchases. Let's break down the best used EVs worth your money in 2025 and why they deserve a spot in your garage. Among all used EVs, the Model 3 remains the strongest all-around choice thanks to its efficient motors, huge charging network, and proven long-term durability. Battery degradation on most Model 3s stays low, usually around 5 to 10% after 100 to 120k miles, which is significantly better than many early generation competitors. The interior materials aren't luxurious, and build quality varies depending on production year, but mechanically, the Model 3 is extremely robust. The motor design is simple, the thermal management system is excellent, and the supercharger network remains a major advantage that no other brand matches. Avoid early 2018 to 2019 cars if you want the best interior quality and the quieter heat pump system, but overall, the Model 3 is still the safest bet in the used EV world. If you want maximum value per dollar, the Chevy Bolt remains the king. Despite the battery recall that scared early buyers, the post-recall packs installed by GM are among the safest and most modern batteries on the used market today. The Bolt is simple, efficient, and cheap to maintain. There's no liquid-cooled fast-charging issue, like in the Nissan Leaf, and the drivetrain is known to handle very high mileage with minimal trouble. Its main weaknesses include a firm ride, a cheap interior feel, and slower fast charging compared to Tesla and Hyundai models, but at its price point, nothing comes close. For commuters, students, or anyone who wants a reliable used EV without breaking the bank, a post-recall Bolt is a no-brainer. The Kona Electric stands out because Hyundai's EV technology matured early. It features excellent battery longevity, strong efficiency, and a surprisingly fun driving experience thanks to instant torque and a well-tuned chassis. Unlike some early Hyundai EVs, the Kona's thermal management system is solid, and real-world degradation numbers have been very good. You also get more range than many competitors in this price category, typically 250 miles on a healthy battery. Weaknesses? The interior is tight, the seat ergonomics aren't perfect for everyone, and some owners report early wear on suspension components. But as a used buy, the Kona Electric provides one of the best combinations of range, reliability, and affordability. Sharing the same powertrain as the Kona Electric, the Niro EV offers identical reliability with a slightly larger, more practical interior. Owners consistently praise its stable long-term battery health and quiet, smooth drivetrain. It's one of the few early EVs that ages gracefully because Kia designed it to feel more like a normal car rather than a futuristic gadget. Its DC fast charging isn't the fastest, but for daily driving, it's more than enough. The Niro's biggest weakness is availability. Good used examples are harder to find than Bolts or Model 3s. If you locate one at a fair price, it's an excellent all-purpose EV that balances practicality and value. If your budget allows and you want the most practical used EV, the Model Y is the one to buy. It combines Tesla's battery efficiency with SUV practicality and remains one of the few EVs with excellent real-world range even in winter. The heat pump system introduced in 2020 made it even more efficient, and long-term reports show extremely low maintenance needs aside from tires and basic consumables. Some owners report rattles and minor trim issues, but structurally, the Model Y is rock solid. The supercharger network makes long-distance travel effortless, something many non-Tesla EVs still struggle with. If you want an EV that can truly replace a gasoline SUV, the Model Y is the strongest used option in 2025. Ford's Mach-E has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable non-Tesla EVs on the used market. Its battery packs age well, the cooling system is solid, and drivetrain failures are rare. It offers a good blend of performance, comfort, and practicality, especially in ADD models. The main complaints include occasional software glitches and slower charging speeds compared to Tesla, Hyundai, and Kia. But Ford has fixed many of the early bugs through over-the-air updates, and the Mach-E's long-term quality has turned out better than expected. For buyers who want something stylish with good reliability, the Mach-E is becoming a smart used buy. The ID.4 doesn't lead in speed, range, or charging, but it excels at being a solid, comfortable, no-drama EV. VW focused on making it stable and predictable, and that shows in its real-world reliability. The interior is spacious and well-built, and the driving experience is smooth and quiet. The early touchscreen and software interface were frustrating, but the mechanical components have held up well. If you want a relaxed daily driver with good build quality and plenty of cargo room, the ID.4 is a surprisingly strong choice on the used market. The used EV market in 2025 finally offers something it lacked just a few years ago: proven reliability. Tesla still dominates in charging infrastructure and long-term durability, while Chevy, Hyundai, and Kia offer incredible value for everyday drivers. The key is finding models with healthy batteries, updated software, and a proven track record. Whether you want performance, efficiency, or practicality, the options in this video represent the safest, smartest, and most reliable used EVs worth buying in 2025.